So let us demonstrate about Geneva mechanism based bottle filling system. So the main components of our project are Geneva gear. So this Geneva gear is going to rotate the conveyor belt, and the container which is coming on the conveyor belt starts to move. And here you can see the IR sensor which is going to detect the containers and fill the liquid by using this pneumatic pipe. So this is an DC water pump which is going to suck the liquid and drop into the containers. So there is an sensor which is going the data towards the controller, and the controller is going to turn on the solid state switches, so which is called relays. So by turning on and off the relays, the motor which is going to rotate the Geneva gear, and the pump which is going to give the liquid is going to work. So the input power supply is given by an adapter which is going to convert to 30 volts AC to 12 volts DC, and gives input power supply to the regulated power supply section which is going to convert into 5 volts, where the required voltage will be distributed in between the Arduino controller, IR sensor and solid state relay, and the extra power supply DC adapter is going towards the pump and Geneva gear. So let us see the demonstration how it works. So when you turn on the toggle switch, the Geneva gear starts to rotate. So this is how it is going to rotate. So when the obstacle is being detected, it stops and the pump starts to suck the water, and after a certain amount of time again the gear starts to move with the time period, and the container which we are going to place, it is going to rotate.